Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I just wanted to give my opinion on the Gann wheel, which is also called the Square of Nine, and it was invented by William D. Gann back in the early 1900s, and allegedly Mr. Gann was one of the more mysterious traders. His system is very mathematical and rather complicated. But supposedly, I've read that allegedly Mr. Gann back in late 1928 predicted the 1929 stock market crash, and supposedly he had a lot of success with this method. And I've heard people believe it and use it, and that's fine. So let's take a look at what a Gann wheel might look like. As you can see, it's very complicated, has a lot of numbers, and you may not want to try to put a lot of time and effort into figuring this out because, again, this is one of the more complex systems out there, and I've investigated it, and it is very complicated. Fortunately, we have technology. We have websites which you can plug in a number, and it'll do the calculations for you. All right. For example, I want to give credit. This is stockmaniacs.net, and you can put in a number. For example, Twitter closed today at $14.99 per share, and it calculates the Gann numbers for you, and it even gives you the 5 levels of resistance and support levels. And it even has, buy, at, or above recommendations. For example, this recommends buy at or above 1501, which is only 2 cents above the current price. That's kind of interesting. And it gives profit targets, 15.99, 17, 18.05, and so on. And your stop loss at 14.06. Maybe if you want to short it or sell it, you can, it says sell at or below 14.06, and your profit targets are 13.14, 12.25, and so on. Stop loss at 15.01. Here's another similar website, and I want to give credit where it's due. This is from Shub Locksme Commodity. I probably mispronounced it. Sorry about that. ShubLocksmeCommodity.com. And it's very similar. You put in the number, again, $14.99 for Twitter, calculate, and it gives you the 5 levels of support and resistance, and it gives you what looks like the same or similar buy at or above 15.01 again, the targets, stop loss, sell at or below 14.06, and targets and stop loss, just like same numbers as over here. So you can use technology to your advantage to make this Gann method much easier, but in my opinion, it's not a complete method, and it's not one that I would recommend, because when you plug in a number here, whether you plug it into the wheel or whether you have a computer do it for you or a website do it for you, the website doesn't even know what the stock is. I didn't put in Twitter, I just put in a number. It doesn't know what the company is, it doesn't know what the stock is, it doesn't know if there's an earnings report coming up, or whether the company's fundamentals are good or bad, or what the market conditions are. It doesn't know if the stock market is going through a market crash or correction. And these are all important factors. And so also you want to look at the chart. You want to see if this is a stock that has a tendency to go up over time, or whether it tends to go down over time. And you probably don't want to buy a stock that has a tendency to go down over time. At least I don't. And again, these things are not known just by plugging a number into this Gann Square of 9 here on this website. So I don't want to put down any particular method, but this is not something that I would use, at least not in isolation, because there's much more to consider, such as the company's fundamentals and the charts and the overall market conditions. All right? So these are things to think about before you embark on this complex journey of learning the Gann Square of 9 method. So I hope you found this to be helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, and please leave comments. Hey, maybe you like the Gann Square of 9. Maybe you found it to be useful. You can tell me that in the comments if you want to. So please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational content. Also, if you'd like some help putting together a trading plan or investing plan, or if you have questions about trading or investing, you can email me at any time. My email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you again soon.